This 2014 Itasca Meridian 40U is a Class A RV. It is located in Prescott, Arizona, 86301 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Prescott. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Itasca is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half. This 2014 Itasca Meridian 40U is built on a Freightliner Maxum chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.